Zane, I am so excited to have you with us today. We're thrilled to have you here. Are you having a good time?
Yes, very good, thank you.
I know your history. I've known you for quite some time, and you're a remarkable woman. And tell me how you initially got started in the business.
Yeah, that's quite a story because I married a pastor with no money and a little boy, and I had to wake up every morning going to work and leaving him at daycare. And I just decided, no, I can't do this anymore. And an old lady introduced me to Average Line Cosmetics, and I decided this is what I want to do instead of leaving my baby every morning at 7 o'clock at the daycare center. And that was a life-changing decision in my life.
How has it changed your life?
Yeah, it changed my personal life. It gave me a lot of experience, knowing new people, start training in leadership, and yeah, and my children grew up with a mum at home, so it was quite just something.
You mentioned your children. How has it changed their lives?
It changed their lives in a way that they have me most of the day at home when they need me, when they're sick, when they, you know, just want their mum. And also their education. We could have afforded the education for them, and that was a big thing. Me, myself, don't have after-school education, so this was my business and I started it, and yeah, I'm so proud for where I am today.
Oh, you have to be really proud of yourself. Really, really. What kind of rewards has it brought you personally?
Well, it gives me self-confidence, and you just feel with it, and I've got a passion for people. Oh, I love people. And if I look back and I see the lives that changed, it was just amazing. Something's great that you look at it and you think, wow, is that really possible humanly? And you think, well, if you don't give people this opportunity, and you can see what difference it makes, yeah, you feel good and you feel proud.
And I'm really proud of you, and thank you so much. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And to keep at it, you're amazing. Always amazing.